Hi, I'm Jack Stein, the Chef Director of Rick Stein Restaurants, and I'm here in Padstow in our cookery school. Padstow is a fishing village on the North Cornish coast which has a really good reputation for great restaurants and fantastic food. Growing up in Cornwall for me has been so special. You're so present with the sea, and lots of people around here are either surfing or fishing or doing something with the ocean. It's just wild down here. It's much more wild than a city, and I love it for that reason, and that's why I think people love coming here. Today I'm going to show you one of our signature dishes from Padstow. What I'm going to use here is this wonderful piece of turbot on the bone. And this is landed in Newlyn, which is the port at the very far west of the county of Cornwall. I've got some purple sprouting broccoli, which is from about a mile up the road. I've got some New Seasons potatoes, and I've got a little Hollandaise sauce to go with it. The food scene in Cornwall is amazing because it's been built up over 45 to 50 years of chefs all coming down and making their home here. All these girls and guys have just made this place the mecca for food. And the main reason for that is it's our natural ingredients. We've got the best fish, the best meat, the best dairy, the best vegetables for me in the whole UK. So this is basically Cornish butter with a bit of fish sauce actually, Thai fish sauce and lemon juice. It's so inspirational to have this amazing produce on our doorstep. It just means that you're going to innovate and come up with new dishes all the time, but you're never too far away from your food. The best way to cook it, all vegetables, tiny bit of water, just steam it. I'll finish up with olive oil. We know our fish suppliers, we know our fishermen, we know our dairy farmers, we know our wholesalers, we know our veg growers. Everybody we know and we've known for years and years. It's building supplier relationships in Cornwall, which has made our restaurant last for nearly 50 years. So there you have it, that's our signature dish from the seafood restaurant. It's been on the menu 40 years, it's turbot with Hollandaise sauce.